Can I use an app offline? This is a question I've heard a lot lately. And it's a great one. After all, who wants to be tethered to the internet to manage their finances? Imagine this: you're on a plane, cruising at 30,000 feet. You're enjoying a delicious meal, watching a movie, and suddenly, you realize you need to check your budget. But you're offline. Panic sets in, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that you don't have to worry about that anymore. In-app has finally introduced a long-awaited feature, Offline Sync. This means you can now access and update your budget even without an internet connection. How does it work? When you're online, in-app syncs your budget to the cloud. This ensures that your data is always safe and up to date. When you go offline, you can still access your budget and make changes. In-app will save these changes locally. Once you're back online, in-app will sync your local changes with the cloud, ensuring that your budget is consistent across all devices. What can you do offline? You can view your budget categories and transactions. You can add new transactions. You can edit existing transactions. You can transfer money between categories. You can check your budget progress. Limitations. While you can do a lot offline, there are a few limitations. For example, you can't add new accounts or change your budget goals. You also can't access certain features like reports or the budgeting tools. Benefits of offline sync. Peace of mind, knowing that you can access your budget at any time, regardless of your internet connection, can give you peace of mind. Increased productivity. If you're often on the go, offline sync can help you stay on top of your finances without having to worry about internet access. Improved security. By keeping your budget data synced to the cloud, you can reduce the risk of data loss or theft. So, can you use an app offline? Absolutely. The offline sync feature is a game changer that gives you the flexibility and peace of mind you need to manage your finances effectively. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy budgeting.